Hey guys, in this video let's learn how to fix TikTok dark mode option not showing problem. You have to watch the full video, otherwise you may not understand it properly. First, open the TikTok app, then click on profile on the bottom right corner of the screen. Next one is press the three lines at the top right corner of the screen, then press settings and privacy. If you can see the dark mode option on your screen or on your TikTok app, there's only one way to fix that, which is if you're using an iPhone, you can actually uninstall it and reinstall your application, which is TikTok. But if you're using an Android, you can clear cache your application, which is TikTok, by holding your TikTok app in the home screen. So since I'm using an iPhone, I'm going to reinstall my application, which is TikTok, to clear the cache on my phone about TikTok. So once I reinstalled it, open the TikTok app, then log in your username or your account, then press on the profile, then go press the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Then go to settings and privacy. Scroll down and press report a problem. Scroll down again until you find creator tools, then press it, then go below the analytics and press others. Is your problem resolved? Press no. So go to need more help, enter your problem here and know what happened about your account or your application, then press report. Now wait for the reply to TikTok team or from the TikTok, and they will solve your problem. And that's it. We just need to be patient and wait for the response about it. So if this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you again next time.